Forget saying I be Nigerian man. Osimhen I be the 9 now. We need a standing 9. Because this kind of Gabriel Jesus 9, Gabriel Jesus is a good player normally. He did good. But he's not that prolific when it comes to 9. He's not too strong. He's a good player. He can move the ball. But that aspect, see Man City now. Despite the fact, say, Alan not too good for footwork, but only in presence for team, they make the opponent the fear because we need a standing 9, no doubt about that. All these Nketiah, Gabriel Jesus go fit play from flank. But that 9, we need them. So if really Arsenal they go, let it be saying based on rumor. But if saying true, say Arsenal they go for a striker. If they cannot get Osimhen, I never to see that Toney performance. Though it good though, but I go prefer me they go for the Osimhen than the Toney. So that I will not say we'll get a 9. Where we say if we jam teams, defenders like Arsenal now. When would they play some kind of teams? They need a fear. Because why? We'll not